How to find DNS servers used in Windows 11. Determine which DNS server your device is currently using. Here's how to find DNS servers used in Windows 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Identifying and differentiating DNS servers. No two DNS servers are the same. Some are designed to troubleshoot and fix connectivity issues. Others manage DNS settings or verify whether your system uses DHCP assigned or manually configured servers. Because each server resolves domain names into IP addresses, identifying each DNS server can be a challenge if you're not familiar with how to do so. Fortunately, there are 4 easy methods to find out which DNS servers your device is using. Methods to find DNS servers. Method 1. Settings. Let's begin with the easiest and most straightforward method. Go to Settings and head to the Network and Internet section. Click on Properties and scroll down to find DNS Server Assignment. There, you will see the listed IPv4 and IPv6 DNS addresses. Method 2. Network Connections. If you want more detailed, adapter-specific information about your DNS servers, go to the Network Connections page. To go there, press Windows key plus R, type in ncpa.cpl, and press Enter. Right-click the active network adapter and select Status. Click Details and look for the IPv4 DNS server or IPv6 DNS server entries. These 2 methods are the most user-friendly ways for individual users. If you're an administrator handling an enterprise environment, there are 2 other methods you can try. Method 3. Command Prompt. The first is Command Prompt, where you can get a list of primary and secondary DNS addresses for both physical and virtual adapters. Run Command Prompt as administrator, type in ipconfig/all, and press Enter. Once you receive the list, look for the DNS servers entry under each network adapter section. Method 4. PowerShell. Another, more flexible method for administrators is PowerShell. Here, different scripts allow you to get a list of DNS servers per adapter or active adapters only. For the former, use this command. For the latter, use this command. Knowing which DNS servers are in use and their purpose helps you better manage your network connections. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to find DNS servers used in Windows 11, linked in the description below.